Hi everybody, my name is Ryan Luquette, and this is my video summary for spce 683-800. And what and based off of my tre- based off of my pretest for that we took at the beginning of this class, I found out that I needed more research and more studying done on Section D of the task list, which is experimental design. And primarily the main portion that I feel that I need the most help with is identifying the defining features of single subject experimental design, which is once again D3. And based off the research articles that I did find from the previous assignment for this class, is that single subject experimental designs are greatly important for this field because it allows us to see the individual changes from the individual changes in our test subjects. And this is different from how other fields may do, since a lot of other fields use group design, and unfortunately with the group design you don't see that individual changes within the study. And so the main defining features of single subject experimental designs is that the individual serves as their own baseline. So, and what that means is we during baseline we don't introduce the treatment, and we just see how like the individual is with their behaviors prior to that treatment. And based off of those measures during baseline, we can predict if whether or not there is a need for it, because if the individual improves during baseline, there won't be a need. But if the individual remains the same and treatment is warranted, that allows us to go into the next step, which is introducing the treatments, or the experiment, as some might say. And during that stage, it's called verification, because through this second phase, we can determine if whether or not there is a meaningful change within the individual. And then after the verification phase, we do the replication phase, in which we replicate the baseline phase, in which we remove the treatment, and we can see if whether or not the behavior levels will go back to how they were during baseline, or if the behaviors are basically the same during the verification phase. And just to give y'all some examples of single subject experimental designs, there's the withdrawal design, the reversal design, the multi-element design, and multiple baseline design, all in which serves different purposes, but they're all used in ABA, which is very useful for our purposes. And another thing that I found through my research is that ABA is not the only one that does single subject experimental designs. They also do it for neuroscience, speech pathology, all sorts of, and many other fields of sciences. So I hope you all like this video, and I hope to see you all. Bye.